The Pythagorean theorem shows how to calculate the distance between any 2 points on a grid. It explains the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. Imagine drawing a square on each of the 3 sides. The Pythagorean theorem states that the area of the square opposite the right angle is equal to the sum of the other 2 areas. The lengths of the A and B sides are easy to measure on a grid. The Pythagorean theorem allows us to calculate the length of the C side accurately. The square of C is equal to the square of A plus the square of B. Or to write this another way, the length of the hypotenuse is the square root of the sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. For example, if the 2 sides next to the right angle are 3 and 4 centimeters long, we can find the length of the third side by squaring the other 2 lengths, adding them and calculating the square root. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. Together they are 25. So the hypotenuse is 5 centimeters long. The theorem is named after Pythagoras, one of the most influential ancient Greek mathematicians. You can create videos like this one easily using Narakeet. The voice you hear now was automatically created from text notes in a PowerPoint presentation. Turn your lecture slides into narrated videos in 3 simple steps. Stop wasting time on recording audio, synchronizing picture with sound, and adding subtitles. Let Narakeet do all the boring tasks so you can focus on the content. For more information, check out narakeet.com.